Hello, I'm Shirley, and welcome to Shirley's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a banana cake. Very simple, delicious, and sweet. Okay, first things first, we're gonna mash about, I would say, 3 to 4 bananas. No lumps and bumps, just smooth. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna sit that to the side. So now I'm gonna sift my 1.5 cup of flour. I'm gonna add my 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You could use regular salt, but I'm using the pink sea salt. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna sift that together, blend it together. And I also want to add some allspice, just a little pinch. Allspice. Not using a lot, just that much. Smelling like Christmas in here. Milk in my liquid batter here, and my vanilla. I did add vanilla. side there. Very like spice. I'm spice girl. I'm gonna add my and family a little tips of our Jamaican rum. Maybe a full tablespoon of Jamaican rum. That's Shirley's touch. Remember, Shirley's kitchen. Shirley do what she wants to do in her kitchen. Spoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And you mix that in. Here I'm adding my vanilla, and I'm using 1 teaspoon. And a little extra. That's how Shirley roll. There's always an extra. Okay. We're not going to over mix because we don't want our cake to be hardened. I'm not trying to make dumpling here. And last but not least, we're going to add our banana and continue to mix. Here's the top.